So some online forum said that the transfer case was either bad or good, and if it was bad, you just wouldn't move anymore. And if it was good, then it was good. There was no in between, but this truck had a popping sound under acceleration, and this is the old transfer case, and you can hear it if you listen quietly. You can hear the chain slapping the case housing when you move the spindles. The other one, the new one, which only has 94,000 miles on it from the junkyard, I think you can hear the difference. It's a 2008 BMW X3.